dumpling?
And Fiso said, "Why, yes I have. It rolled right past me not a minute ago. But look, here comes the big hungry giant, and he loves to eat little old ladies who like to laugh." Well, the little old lady thought this was pretty funny. And so Fiso, wanting to rescue her from the giant, scooped her up into the palm of his hands and hid her behind his back. The giant walked over to Fiso.
Fiso, do you have a human being with you?
Nope, no human being here. I'm not holding a human being behind my back. The giant said,
"No, I'm pretty sure I smell an old lady who likes to laugh."
well, you can all guess what the little old lady did at that point. She laughed. She said, and the giant said, "Oh, see, I told you there was a little old lady behind your back." Fiso took the little old lady out and presented her to the giant. And just as he was about to gulp her up in one big gulp, Fiso said, "Wait, wait, wait! I have an idea. Why don't you take this little old lady back to your castle and she can cook for you?" Well, the giant liked the sound of that. He wanted somebody who would just cook all day for him. So he took the little old lady, scooped her up, put her right in his pocket, and he started walking back to his castle. He was pretty happy. When he got there, he took the little old lady out of his pocket, put her right in the kitchen with a magic wooden spoon. And the thing that was magic about this wooden spoon was as long as the little old woman stirred it in a pot of hot water, rice would bubble up. She could make rice all day long, every day, for the giant and all of his friends. Now, at first, the little old lady was able to just, make rice and laugh while doing it. But after a few days, she started to get a little homesick. She started to miss her family and her friends and her house and her kitchen, sitting and rolling rice dumplings. She wanted to go back home. So she decided to take the magic wooden spoon, stick it into the pocket of her apron, and run away as soon as the giant left for a walk with his friends. So that's what she did. She stuck the wooden spoon in her pocket and she ran as fast as she could as soon as the giant went out for a walk. Now, unfortunately, the giant spotted the little old woman running away. And the giant and all of his friends, they started to run after her. Boom, 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 boom. Well, that little old lady, she got to the river that she had to cross. She jumped into a boat that was sitting there. She took out her magic wooden spoon and she started paddling. Paddle, 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 paddle. And there was rice flowing out behind the boat. Paddle, 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 paddle. Well, those giants, they wanted the little old woman to come back. So they decided to kneel down at the edge of the river and drink up all of the water so that the boat couldn't finish crossing.